I'm Latham Thomas, pregnancy doula and founder of the maternal health and education company, Mama Glow. I partnered with Sleep Limber to help you find ways to improve your sleep as you navigate pregnancy and beyond. Many people embark on the journey to parenthood with a partner, and sharing the bed might prove to be challenging as you navigate the changes of your body and what it's experiencing during pregnancy. Today, we'll explore how you and your partner can sleep well during pregnancy. While sleep problems can feel extremely isolating, they're actually really common. More than 1/3 of all adults in the National Sleep Foundation Sleep in America poll reported that they weren't getting the recommended amount of sleep and that they feel sleepy during the day at least half of the week or more. So it's no surprise that this issue comes up during a process as physically and emotionally taxing as pregnancy. Your body is changing, not just visibly, but also hormonally, to support a growing baby. This comes with a lot of shifts and discomfort that may make it difficult to sleep. I'm going to provide you with some tips to improve your sleep, which will help improve your partner's sleep as well. Pregnancy is a distinct time, but my first tip applies regardless of the time period. An increasing amount of research points to the importance of sleep hygiene, and pregnancy is definitely a time to honor that. So my number one tip is to establish a joint sleep routine. If you haven't already done so, this is critically important. You probably established some sense of a routine for yourself, but my suggestion is to work with your partner to create one that works for both of you. Ask yourselves, what are some of the things that signal to us that it's time to go to bed? What will be your joint bedtime for at least 3 days a week? What are some practices that can calm us both enough to encourage rests? My next two tips are in the spirit of honoring the importance of sleep long before you have to go to bed. The first tip is to move your body. Research shows that proper exercise can ease sleep-related issues and encourage rest. This exercise can take many different forms. Slow dancing, taking a walk, and practicing prenatal yoga are just a few of many examples that can help with regulating sleep. Try to engage in these activities together when you can. For example, if you take prenatal yoga classes, you can have your partner join you. Both of you can bond together and experience the relaxation benefits together. The next tip is to limit caffeine intake, and not just immediately before bed. Caffeine has a half-life of anywhere between 2 and 12 hours, which means that's how long it'll take for your body to eliminate half of it. With this in mind, cut out caffeine and use a minimum of 8 hours before bedtime to ensure that it doesn't interfere with your sleep patterns. Invest in some high-quality sleeping pillows and bedding to positively transform your sleep. Your environment plays into your ability to relax, which means that you can always arm yourself with tools to create a space conducive to restful sleep. It's very common to get back pain during pregnancy, and that can impact your sleep quality. This is one of the many problems that sleeping pillows have been proven to solve. And lastly, limit your screen time before bed. I know this is a really challenging one for all of us. The blue light radiating from our phones is great for keeping us alert during the day, but at night it can deeply disrupt our sleep. According to a Harvard research study, blue light can shift our circadian rhythm, our body's biological clocks. This means that using your cell phone during bed signals your body that it's time to stay awake and alert. While sleep is natural and we all think good rest to come to us easily, it's still something that we have to be intentional about. I hope these tips are helpful for you and your family, and that you're on the path to getting some great sleep. I'm Latham Thomas. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.